Hi all, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are seeing that is a baby Halo opening up his second Christmas gifts as a 1 year old. So this is so amazing, and we are excited about this. Remember, the last time Hello celebrated Christmas was when he was still young. So now he's at least 1 year old, and he can try to understand this is my gift. So this is so amazing, After celebrating Christmas, opening up Christmas gifts, this is just on another level. So anyway, guys, what do you think about this? One thing, don't hesitate to subscribe, tap on the notification bell because a lot is coming. Yes, so that is a guitar and also a bicycle, for riding and enjoying. Those are the gifts from Hal, the mom. So anyway, love you all. Merry Christmas and happy Boxing Day. Hope you get at least a gift, a best gift from all those gifts that you are going to be opening up under the Christmas tree. Love you all. Bye bye.